What's going on, guys? It's STG here. Thought I would do a little, well, I guess it is a pickup. So I got this package in the mail and I basically ordered from two different sites. So let me tell you what I ordered. So I basically noticed on the Crazy Aztec, aka Jerry Peraza's site, he's getting these really cool Aztec rounds. And I thought I really love the 20 pesos Mexican coin, which I'm going to be getting soon, guys. I'm going to be showing you that along with a few other Mexican gold coins. And I thought that design was really very complicated and unique and very beautiful design. So I said, what the heck? And I'm going to get a few silver rounds, guys. So along with the silver rounds, I purchased a couple copper rounds as well. So we're gonna see what we got in this package. I basically purchased it from two different websites. I used Hero Bullion, and I also used, what is this? Oh, Golden State Mint. So I basically used those two sites to get different denominations. They had the 1/10 ounce, the fourth of an ounce, half an ounce, 1 ounce, and 5 ounce in silver, and also the 1 ounce in copper for the Aztec rounds. So I'm just gonna open it up here a little bit off camera, just in case there's any invoice or anything here I don't want to show on camera. Whoops, I happen to drop it. Of course. Okay, here we go. So we got a packing slip here, guys, and we have an order number here. I've never ordered from the Golden State Mint before. I actually had one of their silver bars before, which I thought was pretty cool. So here's my little package. All that time just to get into another little packet. Actually, I don't even think I need to cut it anymore. So check it out, guys. Here are some of the... Okay, when I saw these, I saw that Hero Bullion also had these huge Lincoln penny copper rounds, and I just started laughing when I saw them on the Crazy Aztec channel, and I just had to have them. So basically, the Golden State Mint actually had their own version of these, a little bit different. So I'm gonna show you these first. Check it out, guys. It's like a huge Lincoln penny. I got two of these. I just thought it was hilarious when they had the 1909 SVDB penny. If you guys are not familiar with the 1909 SVDB, that was the first year of the Lincoln penny. And it basically, aside from the Golden State Mint, it basically kind of had this design. And it is quite a valuable coin. If you could actually get it in this type of condition, it's worth a lot of money. So I thought I'd get, as kind of a joke, these copper 1 ounce rounds of the Lincoln penny. I thought it was a pretty interesting and funny design to make a copper round out of a Lincoln penny, since they're known to be copper. So that was pretty cool. Next, I have the Aztec, some of the Aztec rounds that I purchased. Again, the reason why I purchased from two different sites was because some of them were a little bit cheaper on the other sites. So with them, I basically, here, okay, so here we go, guys. I believe this is the 1/4 ounce Aztec round. I mean, just look at that, guys. Look how beautiful that Aztec calendar is. It's just beautiful, guys. Check it out. Okay, so this is a 1/10 ounce round. That's just gorgeous, guys. And then this is, let's just check it first here. So this is the 1/4 of an ounce round. I don't know if that's, okay, that's, I don't want to mispronounce that name. Quadamo, I hope I'm sorry if I'm probably butchering it. But this Aztec calendar, guys, slash Mayan calendar is just a beautiful, timeless design, guys. Check it out. So I got those, and I'm gonna show you guys a little bit larger size now. This is the 1 ounce round. Oh, I'm sorry, the half an ounce round first. And again, we have the beautiful Aztec slash Mayan calendar, guys. Look how intricate that was. You know, I don't know what you guys think about this. I've seen some things on TV. You know, you guys might know what channel I'm talking about ancient aliens, about how they possibly said that this was some knowledge was passed down to the Aztecs because they had very advanced knowledge of the stars. And this is actually a calendar, and that this calendar is even more precise than the Gregorian calendar that we use today. So, and they knew this knowledge hundreds, if not maybe 1,000 years ago, which is pretty amazing, considering the Aztecs were pre-Columbian civilization, how advanced they were as far as mathematics and astronomy. So really unbelievably complex, unbelievably beautiful design, guys. This is the 1 troy ounce, and it is just an amazing coin, guys. I basically, on the other side, I guess I picked up the 2 ounce and the 5 ounce Aztec rounds. So I'm really happy with this purchase. They also have a Aztec bar, which I kind of want to get as well. Eventually, I'm going to get that. But I am just fortunate to have gotten these rounds. Again, I also purchased a couple of the copper Aztec rounds, which I thought were just spectacular as well. I kind of like it. It kind of reminds me a little bit of gold. I wish I could get this in gold, guys. I don't know if they make it in gold, but that would be pretty cool if they did. And look at how beautiful that Aztec round is, guys. I mean, this is just gorgeous, guys. Really, really an intricate and beautiful design. And again, I'm going to be getting another 20 peso coin with the Aztec calendar on it. The restrike, the detail is actually not as good as the original ones were, believe it or not. But again, they have this beautiful Aztec calendar on it, and it is a design that I seriously love. I know the Crazy Aztec, he just sent me a t-shirt. I'm going to be doing a mail call for that and showing you guys the t-shirt design he sent me with the Aztec calendar on it. So that's something I'm looking forward to as well. And guys, please like, subscribe, let me know what you think of these rounds, and as always, stack that gold.